Nigel.
Hi Heidi. Hi Caroline. You're looking nice, Caroline.
Would you like some iced coffee, Caroline?
No, thanks Nigel. I'm busy typing. I have 99 pages to type by Friday.
Never mind. Do you like motor bike reading, Caroline?
Sometimes. Oops, my mobile. Hello. Hi Riley. I like that. At 5 at library. It's 19 High Street. Bye bye.
Would you like to come reading with me tonight, Caroline?
Not tonight, Nigel. I'm going for a drive with Riley.
What about Friday?
Friday, I'm going climbing with Miles.
Alright then, bye.
Caroline, Nigel's put something behind your computer.
It is something nice, Heidi.
No, it's a spider.